I don't have a burgundy wig. This is red. Let me get my lights. First of all, this not even burgundy. This is red. Ain't no edge. But the review pictures show something different. Let me go to. I was so excited. I'm gonna say Christmas. Halloween is coming up. I had a Bulls game I was gonna go to this Saturday. I was like, I'm about to be flea. I'm about to try something different. Burgundy hair. Ooh. I didn't know it's gonna look like this. Hold on, let me show y'all what I thought I was about to get, okay? Let me go to it. Megalook. This is insane. I should have known they're using fake people pictures. Uh-oh. So first of all, it looked like this. You see how that's, okay, I'm gonna put it on the side. I'm gonna go on this side. Let's go. I'm looking like Fiona. Okay, so right here, okay? This is how it looks. You see how that's burgundy and this is red? This is red. That's burgundy, okay? I just understand that. Okay, now we're about to go to the reviews. How all your edges right there? Like, you got edges here and down here. How? And you got a burgundy wig. I don't have a burgundy wig. This is red. This is a red wig. Why was I gypped? And then look at it. Like, what is this? What is this? What is this? It's thin. Look at this. People have sides. Like, why did my wig get gypped? Why don't it have this part? But the reviews got all the sides on the side. Okay, I can see on this picture. But hers look burgundy. This is red. I feel like Ariel. I feel like the Little Mermaid. I tried something new and that's what I get for stepping out of my comfort zone. It's the fallout. Wind is blowing. You think when the wind blow, you won't see my black edges? Count y'all days, Megalook. Megalook, count y'all days, because y'all really tried it, because this is not a burgundy wig, first of all. Do it like this? This is burgundy. This is burgundy. Burgundy. This is red. This is red. I didn't know what else to say on here. 13x4 lace front wig, transparent lace closure, 99J burgundy human hair for black women. This is burgundy. This is red. I would have swear the heck no, I won't. Y'all really tried me. I spent my money on this and y'all tried me. Y'all tried me and y'all got my money. I got a red wig. A red wig for what? Why did y'all do me like this? I was so excited. It supposed to have came Thursday, but then it came today, which is a Monday, and I was like, yes, I'm about to prep my hair. Whoever sent me this wig is sick in the head. Like, they are sick, and I hope they need help. Can I get like can I get an exchange for a black wig? I can give y'all this wig back. Can I get a black one? With all the lace on the side? Because listen, it's a 13x4, right? It ain't going 13 inches down the back of my head. So it's 13, but it's a 4x4 looking like. Look at that. It's not giving. I'm ready to take this off my head. But my hair underneath is crazy. Not worse than this. Who did me like this? Who was after me? Who after me? Oh, well, y'all gotta rub my hair, my natural hair for the next few days then. Dang, I was so excited. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all shopped at Megalook before, let me know. Tell me about your experience, please. Like, tell me what wig to buy. Because they did me bogus. Alright, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see me in my next video. Peace.